Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by logging into the account linked to the phone, iCloud for iPhone or Google for Android, right away. Once signed in, open the device location service and view the last known position. This gives you coordinates and a timestamp so you know where to begin. Make sure to toggle lost mode or mark as lost to lock the screen and display a contact message. Also, record the last connected Wi-Fi name and IP address. That information helps investigators and the carrier. Once you have a location, use the app to play a sound if the phone is nearby. It can reveal if it's hidden or with someone else. If the location is remote or moving, do not pursue the thief yourself. Notify local law enforcement and provide coordinates, timestamps, and device identifiers like IMEI. Meanwhile, instruct the carrier to suspend the line or blacklist the IMEI so the device cannot be reused. Also, change passwords for email and banking accounts tied to the phone to prevent misuse. You finish by deciding whether to pursue recovery or lockdown permanently. If police advise, share the live tracking link and any movement history so they can act. Otherwise, perform a remote wipe to protect your data and remove the device from your account. After erasing, keep proof of ownership and IMEI for insurance or resale blocking. If the phone is offline, check its last backup and note the last seen timestamp. That troubleshooting clue often narrows when it last connected, and where to focus follow up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.